Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best ever baked chicken breast you'll ever have. They're so juicy, really tender and very flavorful. If you guys have been making dry chicken breast in the oven, don't worry anymore. I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks to get really tender, juicy chicken breast. I'm also going to show you how to make air fried broccoli in this video. They pair so well with the chicken breast. And the air fryer I used to make the broccoli was sent to me by Bagote. I always get sent a ton of air fryers and I always recommend the good ones. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description box together with a coupon code. Now let's get started. Alright you guys, we're going to start with 3 large chicken breasts and my chicken has already been pounded. You don't want to skip this step. You have to pound your chicken to even out the thickness. That way they'll cook evenly and they'll not dry out in the oven. The next thing we're going to do is brine the chicken. So you're going to grab a bowl full of water. Make sure the water is lukewarm. Then you're going to dump about 2 tablespoons of salt into the water. Allow the salt to get dissolved. Then you're going to immerse your pounded chicken breast into the water. And you guys, this is a very important step, so make sure you don't skip. It's seriously going to make a difference in your chicken. It's going to make it extra juicy and very tender. Let the chicken sit in the water for at least 30 minutes. While the chicken is brining, I'm going to show you how I made my broccoli. This broccoli is so good. I have about 24 ounces of broccoli in my air fryer basket. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil all over them. And I found this garlic parmesan seasoning from my grocery store. It is so good on broccoli and vegetables. You guys seriously need this in your life. I'm going to sprinkle about a tablespoon or so all over my broccoli. Toss everything together. Then you're going to insert the air fryer basket into the air fryer and air fry the broccoli for 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. While the broccoli is air frying, your chicken should be done brining. You're going to transfer them into plain water and wash off all the salt. Next, place them onto a paper towel and completely dry them up. Once you dry your chicken, you're going to arrange them on a baking sheet. Then you're going to spread some melted butter on both sides of your chicken breast. Next, we're going to season them with some spices. You can use whatever spices you have in your pantry. I'm using salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, and dried mustard. I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. Go ahead and generously season your chicken on both sides with your spices. Once your chicken has been seasoned, you're going to place them in a 450 Fahrenheit oven to bake for 15 minutes or until they reach internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. And here they are, fresh out of the oven. They smell so good. They're so juicy. You can serve this over rice or mashed potatoes. I like to slice them up and serve them over my salads. And the broccoli just got done air frying. They smell really good. The chicken came out very soft and tender and really juicy. And this footage was from after we ate dinner. I just wanted to show you how easy the chicken pulls apart. But anyways, if you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.